Welcome back to the channel, gang. It's your boy Six. Y'all know how we rocking. We outside today. It's Saturday, man. We just hit 400 subscribers. I can't believe it. Like, literally, the channel gained like 20, 30, nah, not 30. It was like 20 subscribers in like a 3 to 4 day period. I was like, whoa. Next thing you know, we had 400 subscribers. I look back on my old videos where I'm talking about how I was trying to get 100 subscribers. Appreciate everybody that's tapped into the channel. And I'm glad that the new subscribers tapped in when y'all did, because I got some big news for the channel, gang. As y'all know, my favorite mod so far to the F30 was the M Sport front bumper. I was waiting to get it. It changed the whole front end of the car, honestly, and I'm really glad that I did it. However, my favorite mod, the mod that I wanted the most from day one of me getting the car, was the headlights. To get the Halo headlights, gang. I wanted the Angel Eyes. I've had the Halidons this whole time. And y'all know we can't rock with those. We can't get the wrap and have them on. Y'all know that. So y'all already know I ordered the headlights yesterday. I copped them. Finally, they on the way. The last thing I needed to do before the wrap was get the headlights and get the side skirts, gang. Got the wrap color chosen. And I'm not gonna lie, the wrap color is insane. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it is. I'm not gonna show y'all till we get it wrapped, gang. But I got it chosen. I'm ordering it soon. I wanted to get the headlights first before I order the wrap. I'm about to order the side skirts. That's easy. Those are cheap. We're gonna be wrapping the F30 by myself with the help of a friend, probably, maybe two. But that's the plans for the channel. Today, I'm finna head over to my dog Will spot. I'm finna throw on my new brake pads. You know, I had told y'all I wanted to get new brakes because my brakes was bad before I went stage 1. So I'm throwing the brake pads on the way to going stage 1, getting the charge pipe. But I'm really stuck in between getting the charge pipe first or getting the wrap first. I'm like, I don't know. I'm really stuck. But hey, the charge pipe not that much, so I'm not really worried. But still though, I don't know what I want to do first, because I could order the wrap, or I could get the charge pipe then order the wrap, or I could order the wrap and then get the charge pipe. See, I'm really stuck. But yeah, gang, we finna cruise over the Wheel spot. Tonight we're gonna get on the roads. Y'all know Saturdays when we get on the roads. Saturdays when I'm outside, when I don't gotta deal with the stuff that I deal with throughout the week. Saturdays when I'm always gonna be getting content for all of y'all. I appreciate everybody that's tapping in, gang. We finna slide though. Let's get it. Made it over the Wheel spot. My man got hella BMWs out here right now, bro. When I tell you we'll be working on so many cars. Yo, this 6 Series is nice. I rock with it. I think these are hard. Wheels are dirty, but hey. Still fire. It's got a wing on the back. 335 convertible, 7 Series. 335 convertibles, fire. Y'all know we got the F30 over there. Finna throw the brakes on.
Where'd you get this bill stain sticker? Was it in your box?
First wheel off. New pads. We'll go ahead and get these installed. Old pads. Woo! New pads in. One side of the front. And go do the other side, then start the rear. The front brakes is done. We on to the rear. New pads. So we just got the clip off. About to take the screws out the back, and then we'll be able to get this done. Alright. Front is done. We're on the back. This is the other tire. I did the other side. This is the last one. So you want to take this clip out first. Damn, look at my hands.
The rattle clip.
The rattle clip. You want to take the rattle clip out first. After you've done that, it's gonna be these screws back here. There's one at the top, one at the bottom. They got a cap on. You're gonna pop the cap. It's got a hex bolt underneath it. You'll loosen that from both sides. It'll allow you to take the caliper off, and then once you do that, you can basically get to the pads. This one, there's a sensor I have to take out too. goes into the middle of one of the brake pads. I think it's the back one.
Huh?
The sensor goes to the back pad, right?
Yeah, you gotta set. This is your sensor right here.
Yeah, it goes to the back pad. So after I get the caliper off, we'll be able to get that handle. So boom. So I'm just greasing up the pads. That way there won't be too much metal to metal contact. As y'all can see, they're greased up on there. So we put them in. Go to new pads, greased up. Screws in the back are screwed in. Now we're about to just put the clip back on. Whichever way it goes, and we'll be Gucci. We'll be done here. Well, gang, we done here. New pads installed on the front and rear. Smooth, little, easy install. We should have less brake dust, less hard of a time cleaning the calipers, hopefully. F30 looking nice. Side skirt soon. Got the headlights on the way, gang. Then we wrapping the whip, man. We're gonna get the charge pipe soon. Appreciate y'all for tapping into the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We just hit 400. We're gonna hit 500. Then we're gonna hit a band before we know it, gang. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, gang. Let's get it.